Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy the video. In this video, you'll be able to make your Apple Watch record your outdoor walk, but this is not permanent, so make sure you do it in the morning or before you do your outdoor walk. To turn your watch off, hold down on the power button until it comes to this screen. Then use the power off slider to turn it off. Then it will be on a blank screen. Then use the power button again to turn it on. Then release when the Apple logo appears. Then sign in using your password. If you don't have a password on your Apple Watch, you don't need to worry about this step. And press the power button to clear all apps. Then swipe across on the app, then press the red X to clear that app, and do it for all apps. Then press the digital crown to open this screen or this screen. Then go into the workout app and select outdoor walk. Then it should track your walk. If this doesn't work, do this process again. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.